Okay, we're gonna start recording. Alright, we're at 2363 Seagull. I'll show you the front of the address right now. I'm in the front of the doorway here to the left, and there's a 3-inch clean out here, okay? Alright. Okay, so now we're going in. I already had some line out. Okay. So once again, this is 2363 Seagull. Okay, we're putting zoom. Alright, this is Drain Masters, Oxnard, California at 2363 Seagull, 2363 Seagull. We're going to be going down a 3-inch clean out on the left side of the house. I'll show you the front of the address once we're done with the inspection. And here we go. Now, about 10 feet in, going all the way out. This line goes alongside of the left side of the inner left side of the driveway, out to the straight. The line just seems to have a little bit of buildup, but it looks to be ABS. So as we can see, the connections, no root intrusion at all. Okay. Here we go. Okay, that is a 45. A little bit of buildup. There we go. It's another 45. Now we're going into the street from the sidewalk. That area that we were looking at back there, it looked like it had buildup. Let me run it again. Right here. But the line is open, but it looks like a lot of buildup right there. Recommend to be cleaned. There's a ductical pipe going in past the sidewalk. Now we're into the street on a 6-inch line. Line looks great. Now we're going to need to look at the lateral. That's what we came here to look at. That buildup that you seen was 10 feet away from the sidewalk, about right on the curb side. Not on the curb side, but right before the sidewalk. More buildup there. So we're almost going to be to the area where we see the other lateral. There it is. That is the main lateral there. Okay. That's probably running water from the other streets right there. And that's where it taps in right there. Main lateral looks great. Do it again. Now I'm going to pull out the camera. We'll look at that little spot that buildup in it. Just a little bit of waste right there. But like I said, the lateral looks great. That little section right before coming to the private area before the sidewalk by maybe a foot is the one that has the issue of a little bit of cleaning needs to be done there, but we'll put that on the paper. But the street lateral looks great. Right there. It looks like a lot of buildup right down the left and the right side. So, right there, build up. Yep, build up. More build up. But the line seems to be ABS all the way through. Okay, just had some buildup. But it does look like to be ABS. Okay, we're coming out of 3-inch clean out. I'm going to show you guys the front of the house. Okay. So as you can see, it's kind of hard to get this camera over here, but there's the front of the house. To the left, next to the waterfall fountain and the main water supply, and there's a clean out here. There's a clean out, the black clean out on the ground right there. That's a 3-inch clean out right there to the left of the waterfall. There's a lot of rose bushes here, so it's pretty hard to get around these things. So there's a house for sale. The work's done by Drain Masters, and the address is 2363 Seagull Avenue. It's a corner house. Okay. The only thing that I seen wrong was a little buildup in the line, but that's about it. Thank you very much. It's Drain Masters, Ventura, California, Oxnard, California, 93030. This is where our office is at. 716 North Ventura Road, suite number 119. Once again, the work was done at 2363 Seagull Avenue, Ventura. Okay, thank you.